Hello there, my name is Jake. I am the one who has written this program in front of you called Rooming Helper. So I just wanted to give a really quick demo of what this program does. So first, just to show what the input data looks like, it is an Excel spreadsheet which contains a few columns, a name, an agency ID, which is basically a unique identifier, a bus number, along with a classification, and then these are optional here, a preferred group and a versions, along with any extra information you want. So I'm going to go ahead and load this into my program here, Rooming Helper. I'm going to tell it that I want to import all going travelers just for this guy, for this run. So I'm going to type in the name of all these columns, making sure that I get the names right. And I'm going to go ahead and type in my extra information as well. So now we can see that all of the travelers have been loaded up. I can quickly just double check here, make sure that all travelers are showing up as expected. We can also see that Harper Davis probably wants to stay in group 41 along with the other people who are in group 41. So we'll see that when we generate some rooms. Here, I'm going to just put in how many rooms I have. So we have a total of 103 travelers. So I'm going to say I have 10 rooms, 10 rooms of 5, another room type, maybe 10 rooms of 4, we'll say 15 rooms of 4. So let's see, this is giving us 60, 110, so this should be enough. Let's go ahead, generate groups, and we can see that all of the travelers have been put into rooms, making sure that their classification stays separated. So we can see that female adults are all on one page, same thing with female students, male adults, and male students. We can also see how many rooms each classification is using. In addition, we can also add travelers here. The reason why nobody is currently showing up is because it will only show travelers who have been removed. So here we have a drop-down menu showing any options for saving for later, exporting this to a PDF, highlighting inclinations, aversions, etc. So we can also go ahead and drag a traveler over to other groups than the one they were originally signed. So we can move Josephine over here. But we can also see that when Josephine gets moved over, the capacity is over capacity because this is a room of 4 and it currently is holding 5 people. So we're going to go ahead and drag her back. We can also look for somebody who currently has an aversion. So I'm going to go back and see that, let's see, Paisley Smith has an aversion. So Paisley Smith is here to Emily Watson. So we can see that Emily Watson has been put in a different group, number 1. And also I can go ahead and hit highlight aversions, and we can see that Emily Watson is highlighted. Also, if for some reason I drag Emily Watson into this group, we can see that Paisley Smith is then highlighted because Paisley Smith has a conflict with Emily Watson. Finally, just one last thing, I can search for any traveler I want, whether they're on this page or on the next page. So if we look for a male adult, let's say we're looking for Rowan Williams, but I am on female adult, so I can type in Rowan Williams, and we can see that they pop up right here. There are many other features of this program, but I wanted to keep this video quite short and brief just to show the basic abilities of this program. I hope it's very interesting, and thanks for taking your time to check it out.